Hey guys, what is going on? This is Shaylin from Altcoin Buzz here to report the news for today. So let's get straight into it. So new cryptocurrency rules just came into effect in South Korea. So South Korea has been a lot in the news. In fact, we've reported it multiple times on the channel, and I'm sure by now you guys are probably sick and tired of hearing from it. But the new rules finally came into effect. So this was to stop money laundering and all types of negative effects like this, and this will take effect on Tuesday. So these new rules are said to bring legitimacy to the cryptocurrency markets and are positive for the long term. And I have to say I completely agree with it in South Korea's case. The reason I say this is because if they add restrictions, then newbies who are kind of on the fence can see that, hey look, the government is behind this, they are regulating it, maybe it's a good investment to get in after all. I see it from that point of view. Whereas if you look at it from China's point of view, they just fully banned it altogether. They banned ICOs, they banned exchanges, they just bottom line made it impossible for people to get involved with it. But just by adding restrictions like this, that's cool. But if you would have over-regulated or just ban it ultimately, that is bad. So I'm really interested to see what South Korea is going to do in the near future and in 2018 moving forward. So what else is new? Well, Russia's newly drafted cryptocurrency bill says crypto, not cash. So what does this mean? Well, it goes on to say that the new bill states that cryptocurrency is not an authorized means of payment in Russia. Therefore, cryptocurrency based on this draft is not classified as money. So this opinion is by the finance minister, rightfully reflects the position expressed by last year by the central bank's president. So I'm really interested also of what Russia is going to do. It seems like right now they're kind of also on the fence. I'm really curious whether or not they're going to ban it altogether, kind of like how China has done it, or if they're going to add more regulations and restrictions such as South Korea has done it. If they do it like how South Korea has done it, I think it is certainly good moving forward. But if they do what North Korea has done, then not North Korea, if they do what China has done, then we will certainly be in for a show. We could be seeing some massive dips. So I'm really keeping a close eye on this. So what else is new? Well, Bitcoin exchange known as BTCC just got acquired. So the Bitcoin startup known as BTCC has been acquired by a Hong Kong-based blockchain investment fund. So while the details are scarce on this, we can't really speculate as to what is going on really. All we can say is that the co-founder known as Bobby Lee said this today, that today's acquisition is an incredible milestone for BTCC. I'm very excited about the resources that gives BTCC to move faster and aggressively grow our business into 2018 and beyond. So well done to BCCC for this amazing acquirement that you have right now. So what else is new? Well, world's largest investment company known as BlackRock is interested in Bitcoin and is under close review of looking into this cryptocurrency. So this article goes on to say that this corporation has more than $5.7 trillion in assets under its management. So that is huge, guys. That is in dollars. That's in fiat money for those of you who are too into crypto. And he goes on to say that the company is keeping a close review at cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, and sees it as an interesting development. It goes on to say that cryptocurrency does not constitute as an investable asset at this point in time, but it certainly looks like it is evolving very fast, and they are certainly keeping a close eye onto it to see whether or not this is going to be big for the future. With that amount of money behind them, guys, this certainly could be really big. So I'm certainly keeping a close eye, because really to see a big investment management corporation this big really look into Bitcoin or any type of cryptocurrency, if they got into it, this would be all over the news. So I'm certainly keeping a watchful eye on this to see what exactly they are going to do. Will they grab this right now? Because right now Bitcoin is currently just hovering around the 10,000 region. We can see that right now it's at $10,563.60 at the time of recording this. So it is kind of at a bargain right now, but will it dip more, and will they accumulate it then, or will they just, buy it at when it goes a little bit higher? I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens. So what else is new? Well, is Ripple's value set to surge today? So the cryptocurrency could receive a boost from the leading exchange. So Ripple's value could surge today after being added to a leading cryptocurrency platform that deals in the Middle East and North Africa, as it joins the exclusive club of Bitcoin and Ethereum on the platform. So this platform is known as BitOasis, and they are really big in Middle East and North Africa. And as you guys know, when a coin gets on a new exchange, a lot of people just have a frenzy. For most of it, if it's on Binance, it just goes exponential. But I'm really interested to see whether or not Ripple will soar today. Ripple is kind of just hanging out there in the mid $1 range, and its all-time high was $3.61 in January. So I'm really interested to see whether or not it will retest those highs or whether or not we will see a massive surge. So I'm certainly keeping a close eye on Ripple. So if you guys are in New Delhi, or you guys are traveling to New Delhi, or you guys are in India, certainly head over to BlockDelhi. So if you guys are wondering, why are we talking about BlockDelhi? Well, if you look at the conference partners, you can see that we are listed right here. And there's some amazing speakers here, guys. For example, Dustin from One Chain, and a whole bunch of other people out here. In fact, one member of our team known as Shash, for those of you who are not familiar with him, he helps us a lot with our ICO reviews, behind the scenes, and just helping us get our channel up and running. So he's a massive asset to our team. So if you guys want to connect with him, he will certainly be here. He's just sorting out some details, but he is said to be here. And I'll leave a link down below where you guys can use our coupon code to get a discount if you guys are going to buy tickets at this at this conference known as BlockDelhi. So that is it from the news here. Let's head over to Twitter and see what is happening. So Neo has just posted this update saying, "Scam alert, we just found a fake Neo Twitter account." So on that note, guys, I keep stressing it on all of our news segments recently to watch out for scams out there, because a lot of people and a lot of companies are just making a bunch of fake accounts like this, just trying to steal your private key and your hard-earned cash. So how do you know that it is a legitimate social media? Well, if you go to Coin Market Cap, you can go to the social tab. So once you search for your coin, you go under the social tab and you can see all the tweets that are listed from the official one. Or even if you go to the official website, for example, neo.org, you will be able to find the social media. It'll usually be linked on the top or the bottom or just somewhere on the page. So make sure you guys are following the official pages for your coins, tokens, and ICOs, just to ensure that you guys are getting the accurate information. But we will try and report it whenever something like this happens. So Status is also in the news today, and they go on to say that we're thrilled to announce a $5 million investment in Riot Chat and Matrix.org. So this is a decentralized tool built on the Matrix protocol. So I'm really interested to see what Status is going to do in 2018. This certainly looks like a big investment which they have made, and I think it'll be very, very promising moving into 2018. So Walton today is also in the news. So Walton signed a partnership with the branch of China's Telecom Corporation Limited. So Walton is constantly just making partnerships out there, and they are really making huge waves. So certainly keep a watchful eye on Walton. As you can see, the price is just drastically increasing. I think moving into 2018 and just beyond, they certainly look like they have a promising future. So certainly keep an eye out for them. So that is it today from the news, guys. If you guys are new here, be sure to follow us on Twitter at altcoinbuzzio. We're constantly posting updates on here. We're also on Instagram at altcoinbuzz. We also have a Steemit account, and as you can see, we are growing this. We're posting all of our videos on here. We're looking to create exclusive content on our Steemit just to make it more official and exclusive. So we currently have 752 followers, and we'd really like to see this number grow. So I'll leave a link to this in the description below. We also have a Facebook group known as the Altcoin Buzz Army, and as you can see, a lot of people are writing their opinions on ICOs, what ICOs we should look at, what book recommendations they're looking at, and so forth. So we're really looking to grow this thing moving forward, and all of our social medias. We also have a Telegram, a Discord, and a whole bunch of other social medias out there. So I'll leave a link to everything linked below where you guys can connect with us and drop your questions and just let us know what we can really work on, because on our channel, we're trying to promote, good content that will actually help you, learn cryptocurrency and just be a better overall investor. So that is our vision for this channel. So if you guys are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. Make sure you slap a like on this video, and make sure you turn on post notifications on all of our social media such as Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, of course. That way you are constantly up to date when we have an update or we launch a video. And that is it today for me on the news, guys. I will catch you guys on the next video.